how to package and ship sold items on Whatnot. Hello, everybody. If you'd like to do so on Whatnot, you can follow up the steps. So, sellers first generate a shipping label through the platform. So, for that, head over to the platform, and once you are there, you can just package the item securely, attach the label, and drop it at the designated courier location. So you can filter for the orders needing labels, head over the account for that, use seller help for that, and once you are in the seller help, you may scroll down from the particular options and look out for order section where you will be finding all of your orders that will be needing labels. So you can look out for the orders and find the specific product and choose generate label, and if needed, bulk generate labels for multiple orders. Select one of the order, and once you do so, you'll be finding option of generating shipping label. You can just go ahead and confirm the label size and print the labels and everything. You can use appropriate, and once that is done, if you would like to package, you can just go ahead and use appropriate packaging materials based on the item's fragility and size, and just go ahead and wrap it around. Use boxes with sufficient padding and attach the label after that. And you can just go ahead and take the package item to a designated carrier location, and the order status will update automatically on Whatnot platform as tracking information is received. And that is it. So if you'd also like to use package and ship sold items and whatnot, you may just head over and follow up the steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.